Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy lunch ideas for kids. You can pack this for breakfast, lunch or as a snack. It's very easy to make and encourage your fuzzy kiddos to enjoy. Make sure your kids are getting a healthy balanced meal. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to pack this lunch box. First, let's start by making mini sandwich. Toast the bread slices and I'm going to cut the bread using a cookie cutter. You can use any cookie cutter which is available at home. Cute mini bread, kids would love them. Using the same cookie cutter, I'm going to cut salami. This is sliced cheddar cheese. Let's arrange the sandwich. Apply some cheese spread on the bread. A small piece of purple cabbage. It has more vitamin C than orange. Then goes salami. Now some tomato ketchup. Add a cheese slice. Again add some ketchup and spread it. Keep a salami and a small piece of lettuce. It's rich in vitamin A and K. Finally, apply some cheese spread and cover it. To keep it stable, put a toothpick in the center. Have some cucumber slices and I'm going to cut them in this cutter. To get heart-shaped strawberry, give a V cut on top. Now cut it into thin slices. Even for the cherry tomato, give a V cut on top near the stem part. And for the blueberries, take a toothpick and arrange them. Let's arrange the box. First, let's keep the sandwiches. These molds are cute and handy and they fit in any box. Now fill the molds with some fruits and vegetables. In this way, food will not get mixed up and kids also will enjoy. Give your kids a handful of nuts or seeds which keep them energetic throughout the day. To make these healthy seeds, I'll put the recipe in the description box below. If you have fuzzy kids who don't eat fruits and vegetables, cut them in an attractive way so that will encourage them to eat. And I hope you find this recipe useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.